Welcome students. So continuing with our chapter understanding shapes. Okay, today's session is very interesting, very scoring, and of course very important. We'll be dealing with altogether a new concept. In the entire session or in the entire lecture, we'll be only discussing about this property. Pay attention please. I want you all to first understand, then write. Sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. Sum means addition. Addition of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. Let me explain you all students with the help of a diagram, the concept which I wrote here. Okay, sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. Okay, let's say I have a point over here with the red color. Can you all see this point please? Okay, I'll highlight it, I'll make it big. This is the point. Sum of all the angles around a point is of 360 degree. What I mean by that, please see here. Now what I am doing, I just made this line and another line, a third line, like this. Okay, I have drawn 3 lines. Let us call this line as line L. Let us call this line as line M. Let us call this line as line N. Okay, this is line M, this is line L, and this is line N. Can I say students, some angles are formed in between here? I have one angle over here, 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 I have one angle over here. Okay, let us say that this angle, value of this angle is A, value of this angle is B, value of this angle is C, value of this angle is D, value of this angle is E, value of this angle is F. I have represented the measure of angles. Instead of numbers 30, 40, 50, I have written as A, B, C, D, E, F, because I am explaining you the theorem. Now I want you all to see here, all of you, sum of all the angles. Sum means the addition plus addition of all the angles around a point. Can I say this angles A, B, C, D, E, F are around the point is 360 degree. That means what? That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 360 degree. A, B, C, D, E, F. If I add all of them, their addition ka answer will be 360 degree. Understanding students? So this is the scenario. Now in exam, how will they ask you? See, it's very easy. What they will say, they will just give you, for example, value of this angle. For example, value of this angle is 10. Value of this angle E is 10. Value of this angle is 50. Okay, value of this angle is 10. For example, value of this angle is 20. Okay, and this is question mark. This is question mark. And they will say find the value of angle C. Find the value of angle C. So what you have to do, you just know this theorem that on a line, on a point, let it be n number of lines, let it be n number of angles, but you know the fact that sum of all the angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. So can I say you will add all of them and you let equals to 360 degree. Value of A, at the place of A you will put the value of A. Value of A is how much? 10. Value of B is how much? B is 20. I'm just giving a random example please. Value of C we don't know, so plus angle C as it is. Value of D plus value of D is how much? 10. Value of E plus E is how much? 10. Plus value of F is how much? 50 is equal to 360 degree students, is equal to 360 degree. So this becomes 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 50 100. So angle C plus 100 is equal to 360 degree. 100 goes there, so angle C is equal to 360 minus 100 becomes 260 degree. It's so simple. So sum of all the angles around a point, let it be 10 angles, 7 angles, 100 angles, but if they are surrounding a common point, if they are sharing a common vertex, see, this angle has vertex this angle has vertex this red color, this angle has this vertex red point, and this angle E has vertex red point, so we can use this theorem. All of you please pause the video and write whatever I have written as a note. All of you students, please pay attention. It's such a simple question. Question number 13, find the missing angles. This diagram is given to you, okay, in the question, and you have to draw the diagram. Always in geometry, diagrams are the gist of the question. So I'll say 80% of the questions are solved merely by understanding the diagrams. So please students, you all have to draw this diagram. Okay, let's start. Find the missing angles. Where can you see the missing angles? See here, I'll highlight it with the green color. I can see one x over here, I can see one x over here. That means I need to find the values of this over here. Okay, can I say students, by merely looking at the figure, this angle has what? This angle 65 degree wala, 35 degree wala, 105 degree wala angle, and x degree has common vertex. This point I'm highlighting with the green color. So can I say this, all the angles are surrounding or are around a single point? So what is our rule? Our rule is sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. Let's write that statement, all of you, fast. Sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. Okay, sum means addition. So let's add. I'll start from here, 65 onwards. All of you pay attention. From 65 onwards I'm starting. So 65 degrees plus, no need to mention degree sign, 65 plus 35 plus this is 105 plus this is x plus once again x. Let's count so that we do not miss anything. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and is equal to 360 degree. I wrote the reason here. Okay, now let's add, all of you. Let's add it. It's so simple. Please proceed. Don't wait for me. I request you all, please. Okay, so this is how many times I have x. X plus x becomes 2x. Therefore 2x plus, and I need to add this all. 65 plus 35 plus 105. So when you will add 65 with 35 with 105, you will get 205. So 205 is equal to 360. I need to find x, so I'll keep this x here only. 2x is equal to 360 minus 205. 360 minus 205. Okay, so what will be the answer? Therefore 2x is equal to 360 minus 205 is 155. Pay attention, 155. Okay, so therefore x will be what? X will be 155 divided by 2. Pay attention please. 2 ones are 2 sevens are is 14, but yeah, it's 15. So 1 is the remainder. So it carry forward it over here. This becomes 15. 2 sevens are is 14. Once again 1 is the remainder. But now I have no number, so I'll put a decimal point so that now I can add 0. So it becomes 10. So 2 5s is 10. You can do over here also in the rough work. Okay, so x is 77.5. Okay, therefore value of x is equal to 77.5 degree, and this was only asked. Okay, x is nothing but the measure of the two angles over here. That's it students. Hope you all have done simultaneously with me. Pause the video if you have not completed fast. Okay students, now the second question, it's sub question D. The main question is same, find the missing angles, and this is the diagram. You have to draw it. This angle is 2x. Okay, this angle is 1 upon 2x. This angle is x. This angle is 3 upon 2x. But students, I have a confusion here. Here nothing is mentioned. A box is made here, like a square. A box is made. What does this means? I have explained to you in this chapter itself plenty of times, students, that whenever such box are there, it means that the measure of this angle is 90 degree. Measure of this angle is 90 degree. We never write as we write 30, 60, 40, 70. We don't write measure. We never write 90 degree like this. We just make this box. So always you should know that this box means 90 degree. Okay, that's it. Can I say students, I have a common vertex over here, a common point. Sum of all the angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. We already did. Can I write the reason? Yes, please start along with me. Draw the diagram first, and the diagram should be drawn at the center of the page. I don't have place. That's the reason I'm drawing on the right hand side. First, your diagram height should be minimum 5 to 6 line, and it should be at the center of the page, and then just below it we should start with the solution first. So I wrote the reason over here because I have a point over here and many angles surrounding it. So sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. How many angles we have? Let's just count first. 1 2 3 4 and 5. I'm starting with 2x. Okay, let's start. All of you, please do it with me. Don't wait for me. 2x plus this is x plus this is 3 upon 2x. So I'll write 3x upon 2. Understand please. It's 3 upon 2x. So I can just multiply this 3 with x. So it's 3x upon 2 plus this 90 was not mentioned, the box was mentioned, that means it's 90 degree. So 90 plus this is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2x x 3x upon 2 90 1 upon 2 x. Okay students, now I'll just first convert this mixed fraction. Okay, so therefore this 2x as it is I am writing, plus x, 2x as it is, x as it is, plus now this is what, 3x upon 2, and this is what, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Okay, this is also 3 upon 2, so this is also 3x upon 2, so I am writing it together, plus 3x upon 2 plus, so I am done with this, this and this, and also this one. Just this 90 is remaining, students. This 90 is remaining, right? So let me take this 90 on the right hand side, because all these 4 angles 1 2 3 4 has x along with them. So this 90 if I take on the right hand side, this will become minus 90, right? So this will be what, 360 minus 90. Therefore 2x plus x is how much, 3x, plus, can I say I have a common denominator? I can take a common denominator here. So common denominator 2, this is how much, 3x from here plus 3x is equal to 360 minus 90 is 270. Therefore 3x plus 3x is 6x. 6x upon 2 is equal to 270. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So when I did the reduction, this we are remained with 3x. So 3x plus 3x is how much, 6x, right? So this will be 6x is equal to 270. Now students, let me do it over here. 6x equals to 270. So x will be how much? 6 will go down. X is equal to 270 upon 6. X is equal to 270 upon 6. Let me do the cancellation with 2, all of you. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 goes in 3 times table. That means 135 will also go in 3 times table. This is the way to check. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. Because 9 comes in 3 times table, so 135 will also come in 3 times table. 3 1s are, 3 4s are 12, carry 1 becomes 15, 3 5s are 15. So I got to know the value of x. My value of x is how much? 45 degree. Will I term this as my final answer? In excitement, 80% of you in exam mark this as your final answer and they proceed to the next question. But if it's 4 marks question, you will only get 2 marks for this. Because here we need to find the missing angles, and this is 1 upon 2 is one of the missing angle, 3 upon 2 is one of the missing angle. So we need to find the exact values of those angles, students. Okay, so as the one of the angle is x only, so okay, great, I got the value x is 45 degree, but I need to find the values of these 2 missing angles also, which is 1 upon 2x and other is 3 upon 2x. So that we have to do. First complete till here. Pause the video please, complete up till here, and then we'll find out the remaining 2 angles first. Okay, so now let me find out the required angles. There are 3 angles we need to find. One is x. Oh sorry, actually there were 4 angles. One is x, we found out 45 degree. This 2x is also there. I did not see it first. So 2x, 1 upon 2x. This we need to find 2x, 1 upon 2x, and another is 3 upon 2x. Okay, so the required angles here are, first is x. We got the value of x as 45 degree. Second is how much? 2x. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. What's the value of x? X is 45 degree. So 2 into 45 is equal to 90 degree. Next, other is 1 upon 2x. Okay, 1 upon 2x. So 1 upon 2x. It's a mixed fraction which we already converted. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2x, okay, is equal to 3 upon 2. I'll write as it is, multiplied by, at the place of x, what I will write? Value of x is 45 degree. So I'll write here 45. Okay, 2 1s are, 2 2s are is 4. 2 2s are is 4. But here it was 5. So 1 is the remainder. If I put a decimal point over here, that 1 can become 10. 2 5s are, it's 10. So this becomes 22.5 students. 22.5. So when you will multiply this 22.5 students with 3. 3 5s are is 15, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 2s are 6. decimal point after one digit, so 67.5 degree. This is the answer of 1 upon 2x, which was nothing but 3 upon 2x. So can I say by doing this I also got the value of this 3 upon 2x? That's it. So these are the required angles. One was 45 degree, then 90, then 1 upon 2 is equivalent to this 3 upon 2x, and it is 67.5. So we found out our required angle, students. All of you, see, you will not bifurcate the page, you will draw the diagram in between, leave one lines between every step. It's just a little bit big sum, but very simple sum. Leave lines between every step. Okay, do it fast. Students, now the last question. Please see here. It's sub question E. Once again, extremely easy sum. Nothing new to teach. Okay, this is the question in front of you. Now, heading is same. We need to find the missing angles. Students, how many angles you can see in the diagram? See, this is 1, 2, and this bigger one 3. But can I say this all the 3 angles are with respect to a common vertex, or in other words, can I say they are around a common point, this with red color, and we have a rule. We have a rule. What's our rule? What's our theorem? Sum of all the angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. Let's write that, all of you, fast. Okay, students, so I wrote the reason, or I can say I wrote the property. Sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. It's compulsory to write this line. We always have to write the reason of what theorem we are using. Okay, so there are only 3 angles over here. First is 3x minus 15. So 3x minus 15, the first one, plus, sum means addition, 35 plus, okay, plus, then this is what, x plus 170. X plus 170 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so now how many terms I can see with the x? This is plus 3x, this is plus 1x. 3x plus 1x becomes 4x, therefore 4x. Okay, now this is minus 15, this is plus 35, this is plus 170 degree. Now it depends upon you how you solve. Minus 15 plus 35. So 35 minus 15 will be plus 20. Plus minus minus, sign of bigger number, plus 20. And this is plus 170. I will copy it as it is. Plus 170 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore 4x. Okay, now this is 20. 20 plus 170 becomes 190. 190 goes on this side, becomes minus. So 360 minus 190. I'll keep this x over here. Okay, and I'll send all the numbers on the right hand side. Therefore 4x is equal to 360 minus 190. 360 minus 190 will be 170. Therefore x is equal to how much? 170 upon 4. 2 2s are 2 8s are 16, carry 1. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. It's 5. 2 2s are is 4. So remainder is 1. So if I use the decimal point, if I take decimal point, that 1 will become 10. So 2 5s are, it's 10. Okay, so my final answer is, therefore x is equals to 42.5. Will this be termed as my final answer? Of course not, because we have to find these 3 angles. Okay, the second one is 35 degree, already mentioned. So we need to find the exact value of 3x minus 15 and then x plus 170 degree. Okay, let's do it, all of you. See here, please. First, I'm starting with this 3x minus 15. It's 3x minus 15 is equal to 3, as it is 3 I'm writing. This x is multiplied with 3. What's the value of x? Value of x is 42.5. So 42.5 minus 15 is equal to, when 3 is multiplied with 42.5, 3 5s are is 15, carry 1. 3 2s are 6, plus 1, 7. 3 4s are 12, decimal point after one digit. So 127.5 minus 15 is equal to 127.5 minus 15 is 112.5. 112.5 degrees. 112.5 degrees. So this is the value of 3x minus 15, students. Let me highlight it with a red box. This is one of our answers. Second unknown thing over here is x plus 170. It's very simple. Let's do it. X plus 170. At the place of x, what's the value of x? Value of x is 42.5. So it's 42.5 plus 170. Okay, 42.5 plus 170 comes to 212.5 degree. So value of x plus 170 is 212.5. Let me highlight it with a red color, please. all of you. Okay, so by this we complete our question. You will not bifurcate the page like this. You will draw the diagram at the center of the page. Please complete it. And in this 13 questions, students, I have solved all the so-called typical sums which looks like typical ones. Okay, just 2 questions I have left that you have to solve it, please. Okay, pause the video and complete it fast.